So, on this video about LinkedIn, I'm going to share a little bit of insights that will help you a little bit understand LinkedIn better. LinkedIn, as you could see here, it's a professional platform where people don't share their life events as much as their professional events. So here we can see people celebrating events, celebrating achievements, jobs, a new skill, new certifications. So please avoid to share here in your posts or in your events or videos or articles any personal insights that does not have a takeaway message on a professional level. If you are lost on what to post, because we mentioned in a previous video that you should be planning your posts to be active and to increase and boost the algorithm. So, in case you're lost on what to do with your LinkedIn and which plan to follow and which content to post on your profile, please get in touch with us. The team is ready to assist you and to create a plan that is convenient to you and your field of expertise. So, also, some of you were wondering about the extensions that I have on my window. I'd like to introduce you to a couple of extensions I use and that reduce or at least spare me, let's say, the use of LinkedIn Premium, which is many cases is for free, at least for 1 month. Sometimes it's extendable by the company, whereby they can offer you extra periods of time, but eventually at the end, it's a paid feature and upgrade presented and offered by LinkedIn company. So what I encourage you to do, if you want to measure your matching to the ATS, the applicant tracking system, and identify the keywords that are missing from your application or your resume or your CV when you apply to jobs, you can download jobalytics.com. This is a Chrome extension that will allow you to analyze on LinkedIn and many other platforms for as in job portals such as Bait.com, Gulf Talent, Indeed, the matching of your application with the job that you're applying for. Also, I have Lusha. So in case you're not connected to someone here, it is asking me to log in, so I will not log in. Just make sure it is allowed in your country. This Lusha will allow you to connect to people who are not within your network. For example, this person, Anas Mardini, is not within my network. So, for example, if I did not accept his connection request, I can go to Lusha and ask for his contact details, because if someone is not within your network, you will not be able to view their contact details and eventually will not be able to get their phone number or email to connect to connect with them or to contact them. Lusha gives you 5 credits per day, and you will be able, as you can see here, we don't have neither an email nor a phone number. So using Lusha, this will enable me to get the contact details of Anas by displaying his phone number and email. Just make sure about one thing, that sometimes Lusha displays old phone numbers that are out of service, or maybe mobile numbers related to business numbers that are no longer used by users but used when the account has been established, and same applies to emails. So make sure that the contacts you get from Lusha are accurate and up to date. You can confirm this by using your regular browser and confirming that this person is still working at this company, also through LinkedIn. I wish you the best of luck using LinkedIn. At any point of time you need support or further coaching, please don't hesitate to contact me. Good luck.